Hello viewers, today my new recipe Masoor Dal soup in microwave. Masoor Dal soup, it is healthy and tasty. I am having cold. For me, I have prepared Masoor Dal soup. Just watch how it makes. Wash Masoor Dal twice or thrice, then soak in water for half an hour. Then drain the water. Transfer the dal in a pressure cooker. Half cup dal and take 1 glass of water. We are making soup, so we need too much water. Pressure cook for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame and keep aside. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon haldi powder, half teaspoon kashmiri red chili powder or as needed. Then add half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon hing, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic and green chili paste. Mix it well, there should be no lumps on it. Add 2 tablespoons water. In microwave, the masala will not burn if you add water. Then mix it well. Now I am going to cook in a microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take out the bowl from the micro oven. Then add salt as needed and mix it well. Now add the dal in a bowl. Add enough water. Mix it well. Add fresh coriander leaves, fresh 1 green chilli, 1 tablespoon butter. Again microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take her from the oven. Ready to serve hot Masoor Dal soup. Thanks for watching my cooking videos.